Hey guys, it's not every day you get to sit in the passenger seat of a 400,000 mile third gen TL, but your eyes are not deceiving you. This is Corey's car, and guess what? The best part is it's a 3-pedal TL. So let's go hit 400K, Corey. So we all know and love the third gen TL. This is a car that for its day was, you know, pretty advanced styling, and I think even hard to believe now, 20 years later, the 04 TL would have debuted in 2003. So 20 years have gone by, and I think a lot of people still gravitate toward this design. Corey, I'll put you on the spot for a quick sec. Tell me a little bit about your ownership history with the car. What was the mileage when you got it? What have been the known maintenance issues?
I've actually not had it super long. I bought it with roughly 387,000 miles, and it's been my daily driver since. Known fault points, rack and pinion does need that. VSA issues, obviously. Other than that, it's been, you know, just a pleasure to drive every day.
Awesome.
It doesn't burn any oil, you know, like it's just wonderful.
Perfect. All right, so there's 99.
The anticipation part.
I know. Well, and usually the last mile is the one that takes seemingly
longest.
forever, because we're going to be kind of just going snail's pace. It's kind of fun though, and you might have seen this on the channel, and if I put this on there, I'll post a link, but the highlight of my year this year was riding with a Uber driver that put $500,000 on his TSX.
I did see that, yes.
And just by sheer chance, like, I called a, you know, car, and it was a TSX. So at first I'm excited, and then when I found out he had high mileage, it was icing on the cake. So we still keep tabs.
I had an interesting, the newest iteration of the Insight with like 267,000 miles.
Yeah.
I was like, good for you. That's pretty impressive. Because no one bought that, and I always thought they were cute. I was like, that looks like the previous gen of Ford, and I really liked that one.
Yeah, those were cool. Beautiful day in Phoenix. It's only
gorgeous.
5 days before Christmas here, so we're settling into our season, busy season of tourism and snowbirds and all that stuff that we love. I've had 3 third gen TLs. I had actually, no, I guess I've just had the 2 Type S's, one blue, one white, and so it's only a matter of time until I get a red one and finish the trio. There it is, 400K.
There it is.
Corey, congrats. Let's pull over real quick in front of this house. I'll just do a walk around so people can see exactly the time and place without cutting the reel. This is what, a 400,000 mile, what year?
2004.
04.
Nabby Bay.
First year. And she's a little tired on the upper surfaces, but welcome to Arizona. That's what you get. Mechanically, you can just hear, you can barely hear this thing running. It is a solid drivetrain, mechanically solid cars, and you can see no smoke, no issues. It really is easily gonna do another 400,000 miles. So there you have it. And here's the money shot. 400,000 miles. Congratulations, Corey. And 100,000 more, we'll throw you a red carpet party. And he's off to collect another 100,000.